In this video, you will find out how affiliate marketing works and why it is one of the easiest ways in which you can earn passive income with your website over time, whether you have any other sources of income or not. Before I show you the affiliate marketing, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you think that this is helpful. Thank you. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting a product for profit, usually on your own website, or even without it. It can be done through a variety of methods such as writing reviews about products and linking to purchase pages, blogging about products and linking to purchase pages, giving away free samples with links to purchase the full version, emailing potential customers with links to purchase the product, offering digital downloads with links to purchase the physical copy, and posting affiliate links of Shopee/Lazada in Facebook groups and Facebook pages. Now, let's take a look at the benefits of affiliate marketing. Some people still think they have to be an expert, a wizard, or that they need to sell their own product or service to make money as an affiliate. Like many ways of making money on the internet, it is actually quite easy to get started and build your business based on the right products and services for someone else's needs. With affiliate marketing, you see, it takes less time and effort to find the right product or service from an affiliate site than to create your own product or service. And once you've found and created the product or service, it takes less time and effort to market it than to market something of your own. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to sell anything at all, which is often a problem with other types of internet income opportunities. You simply need a website, or blog, a few articles, and anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours per day of online marketing. You can use any time left over during the day to work on your other sources of income. In order for affiliate marketing techniques to work, you will need traffic from your site. This traffic can come from social media, search engines, or paid advertising on sites like Google AdWords and Facebook ads. Before we continue, check out Shortly.ai, a free online artificial intelligence writing tool that creates articles in less than a minute. Check the description of this video. What is the best affiliate marketing platform in the Philippines? Involve Asia is the best affiliate marketing platform in the Philippines. You will have many options of products you can promote, to wit, Lazada products, Shopee products, Zalora, Decathlon, Watsons, DJI, AirAsia, and other international brands. Involve Asia is an affiliate network that enables advertisers to run their campaigns on publisher sites. Involve Asia is a performance-based marketing company that helps global brands reach their target audience through affiliate marketing. It involves technology tools that help social media and web publishers create and manage their own affiliate marketing campaigns. Involve Asia is a leading provider of digital marketing and communications solutions in Southeast Asia. Its operations are focused on providing end-to-end solutions for businesses in Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines, and Malaysia. Get started for free with this link, https://bit.ly/3gpskzr. There are 4 commission model types to earn income Involve Asia platform, which include 1. Cost per sale, CPS. A sale is confirmed once a purchase has been made by online client with no cancellation or refund. Example of which is with Alibaba. 2. Cost per acquisition, CPA. The CPA model is typically related to action outcomes. 3. Cost per lead, CPL. A lead occurs when someone fills a form in which contact details are provided to the offer's owner. The user does not pay for the lead. This model is usually associated with credit card and loan application offers, where the lead is used to send info about other products. 4. Cost per install, CPI. CPI stands for cost per install, and it is a method of buying advertising that is very cost-effective for publishers. This method works by only showing the advertisements that a mobile user has downloaded or installed. With your prospective client doing any of the above, affiliate marketer will earn income. The best thing about it is that it can be done simultaneously. Don't forget to sign up here to be an affiliate with Involve Asia and check out the hundreds of affiliate programs you can promote. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Take care.